Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to fill your WeChat account password if you eventually forgot it. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to settings on your phone. The next thing you need to do is to scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to Google right here. Click on Google. The next thing you need to do is to click on Password Manager. Then it's going to take you right here. Then scroll down right here, and then here we go. You can see WeChat right here. Click on that. Then enter your lock pattern or PIN. Hit and enter. Then here you'll be able to see your WeChat username and your WeChat password. For you to fill the password, simply click on here, and you see your WeChat password right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.